Today we are on a big challenge to complete this interesting and colorful composition in just one day using acrylics on an A3 size canvas. Our subject for today is a vibrant piece inspired by both Impressionism and Expressionism. We'll be painting 2 bell peppers, one green and one red, set against a richly textured background that transitions from deep blues to warm oranges and reds. The bold colors and expressive brushstrokes will make this piece truly stand out. Let's start by preparing our workspace. Make sure you have all your acrylic paints, brushes, and a palette ready. For this painting, we'll need a variety of colors to achieve the vibrant and dynamic look we're aiming for. First, let's sketch out our composition lightly on the canvas. This will serve as our guide as we start painting. Start with red pepper, use various shades of red and a touch of orange for the highlights. Remember, in the style of Impressionism and Expressionism, it's all about capturing the essence and emotion rather than precise details. The green pepper, using a mix of greens and yellows to create depth and highlights. Using a large brush, this gradient will create a beautiful backdrop for our bell peppers and set the tone for the entire piece. Once the base colors are dry, we can add expressive brushstrokes to give our peppers more dimension and life. Use a smaller brush for this step and don't be afraid to be bold with your strokes. Add some texture to the background to enhance the overall composition and bring out the expressive quality of the piece. And there you have it, our vibrant and dynamic acrylic painting completed in just one day. This challenge tested our skills in color mixing, layering, and creating depth, but the result is definitely worth it. The combination of Impressionism and Expressionism has brought this composition to life in a unique and expressive way. Thank you for joining me on this challenge. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more art tutorials and challenges. Happy painting!